What's happening, everyone? My name is Alex and welcome back. Well, it's been a few weeks since we filmed a video, but I guess we are starting again. Over the past few weeks, we got this new house, well, new to us because this is in fact a fairly old house. And you know what happens with older properties? There is a lot of work to be done, and that's what we've been doing. Now, this house also came with this swimming pool. Unfortunately, the swimming pool hasn't been used in many years, hasn't been cleaned in many years. So the swimming pool was an absolute mess when we got the house. Now, I tried my best to clean it as much as possible to make it acceptable looking, but there is a lot of work to be done. But luckily now we have the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, so that pool robot cleaner right there, and the Aiper Surfer S1. So this is a skimmer, this is a cleaner. So this goes under the water, this one stays at the top of the water and cleans there. So pool maintenance will be much easier now that we have these two robots here. Alright, so thanks Aiper for sending these over and of course sponsoring this video. It will make my pool maintenance tasks much easier because I don't actually have to do anything myself. The robots here will do everything for me. So in today's video we are mostly going to concentrate on the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. So this robot here basically goes underwater. It will clean the bottom of the pool, it will clean the walls, it will clean the water line. The water line is very important, mostly for this swimming pool that was never cleaned in many years. The water line was absolutely filthy. It's getting better because I have this cleaning it daily. I basically let it in the swimming pool, then I recharge it, then I bring it back to the swimming pool, so it does that all day long. So eventually it will get better. So that's definitely a really cool feature for this robot, a feature that you don't typically find on many other or on any other pool robot cleaners. So setting this up was extremely easy. It literally takes 2 minutes. You take them out of the box and you can put them in the swimming pool right away. You don't really have to do anything. They're both cordless, so there is no cord that you need to put in the swimming pool with them. You basically just drop it in the swimming pool and it will do its thing. The Surfer S1 here has a solar panel at the top. So with this one, I've been using it for about 3 weeks now. So basically it recharges by itself from the sun. We have a lot of sunshine here. It's basically sunny every day. So this one I haven't actually had to charge once in all this time because it always charges enough so it can actually go and clean the swimming pool. This one you will have to charge every so often. So on one charge you typically get about 3 hours of usage depending how you have it set up and what you have it set up to do. Now, there is also an eco mode available that you can activate, and if you have it in that mode, the robot here will basically stay under the water and it will clean the pool, the bottom of the pool for about a week. So every 48 hours it does 45 minutes. So it will basically keep the bottom of your swimming pool clean for up to a week without any intervention. So you don't have to do anything. So if you are away for a few days, you basically leave it in that mode and the robot will keep the pool as clean as possible. Talking about keeping the pool clean, so we have our debris basket right here. Now, oh my goodness, this is filthy. So this is from one day. This is crazy. I'm gonna show you a close-up. But basically when I started using this in the swimming pool, because there was a lot of stuff at the bottom of the swimming pool, there was a lot of stuff everywhere in the swimming pool, the amount of stuff that I found in here was quite insane. And we not only have this basket here, we also have this filter as well. So this will be able to collect stuff that you don't actually see with your eyes, like algae, oil from sunscreen and stuff like that. So basically this will keep everything from the pool inside here. So it will clean everything. It will basically suck up everything and everything will be here. And well, probably every couple of days you should empty this, mostly if it looks kind of like this. Alright, so basically setting this up from the time you take it out of the box, it takes about 35 seconds, I'm gonna say. You just have to peel a couple of plastics of it and that's it. You can actually put it in the water. At the top here we have the power button, and you can also select out of 4 cleaning modes. So you hold this button pressed for about 3 seconds or so, and the robot will initiate itself into the auto mode. So as soon as you have it like this, you basically just drop it in, and it will start doing everything. So you don't really have to do anything. You just put it in, and then whenever it runs out of power, you can take it out. Whenever it runs out of power, it will basically dock itself at the edge of the pool. There is a hook that comes in the box, so you can basically easily grab it from the pool. But like this should take about 3 hours, and for the 3 hours that we have it in the water there, it will basically clean the bottom, it will clean the walls and stuff like that. So now the robot is in auto mode, and it's basically gonna do the floor and also the wall and the water line. As you can see it right now, this is a very cool thing to see. I haven't actually seen any other robot doing that. So that will basically keep the wall clean and the water line. There is also a waterline mode that you can choose from, and if you choose that mode, the robot basically does all the waterline, so it stays on the waterline there, and it will keep that clean. This pool definitely needs something like that done constantly, because since it hasn't been cleaned in forever, it is quite filthy. So there are many modes that you can choose from, and if you install the app, so there is an app that works with this and the Surfer S1 here, you can also choose another cleaning mode, which is the wall cleaning mode. While the Scuba S1 Pro is cleaning under the water, I'm going to show you what this one does. So the Surfer S1. So first of all, this one has a basket up here. So in this basket here, we'll collect everything that we have floating at the top here. So bugs, leaves, anything like that. I'm actually going to show you a clip from the other day with everything that it collected. So basically this will just run on top of the pool, so it will catch everything before it goes down. As I mentioned at the beginning, this has a massive solar panel right here, so you'll never have to charge this if you have a lot of sunshine. So we have our power button here. Hold that pressed for a bit, and then press play and drop it in the water, and it will do its thing without you having to worry about anything. So we have one cleaning under the water and one cleaning on top. In the box, you're also going to find this hook here. So with this hook, you can basically pull out the robot. So you bring it all the way here. Then you're going to let it drain for a bit, because there is a lot of water inside it, of course. Let it drain, and then take it out. The charge port is on the back here, so whenever you need to charge it, you basically remove this plastic cover here and you can charge it. Charging it takes about 3 to 4 hours, I'm gonna say. The robot also has obstacle avoidance sensors on the back and on the front, so if there is any obstacle in the pool, it will know how to go around whatever obstacle you may have there. So the powerful suction this machine has and the dual filtration, this robot will be able to pick up anything that there may be in the swimming pool. And when you see it in the swimming pool, you are not gonna notice all the stuff that this is actually picking up. But when you take out the basket here, you will notice how much stuff is in here. Stuff that you're not even gonna be able to see with your own eyes. Of course, this filter also helps here for even smaller stuff that your eyes cannot see. So you have this in your pool, you will be amazed of how much stuff it will actually pick up from the pool. So if you want to simplify your swimming pool maintenance, well, look no further, because with the Scuba S1 Pro here and the Surfer S1, you don't really have to do that much anymore. You basically get one of these, you drop it in, it will go down by itself. You get the other one, you press play and drop it somewhere here, and they're gonna take care of everything while you actually enjoy your free time. As always, there will be some links in the video's description so you can actually check out these two robot cleaners for your pool. Once again, thanks Aiper for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.